Hey guys, welcome to the Chicks with Triggers channel where we make learning guns ridiculously simple. Guns can often feel intimidating, especially when you don't know the parts and so you're overwhelmed by all of it. So we're going to fix that today. Our first step though is to always make sure that the gun is unloaded. So we're going to release our magazine. Don't worry, we'll learn about that later. And we're going to check our chamber to make sure nothing is inside of it. That way we know the gun is completely clear and accidents cannot happen. So our main parts of the gun, we're going to go over them one by one. Don't worry, if you're a beginner, this is a great place to start. So this black part right here, this is called our frame, okay? So this entire black part is called our frame. The frame is the body of the gun. Everything else is attached to the frame. Now this brown part up here, that is called your slide. So this is the moving part of the pistol. After each shot, it moves to load the next round into place. Now, inside of this slide, once I move this slide out of the way, you'll be able to see your barrel. Your barrel is what the bullet is actually going to travel through when the gun goes off. This square piece right here, that's part of our frame, is actually called our trigger guard. And it's what guards the trigger. This is called our trigger. Now, one of our main safety rules is to remember to always keep your finger off of the trigger until you've actually made that decision to shoot. Now, this whole part right here, this is called your grip. And your grip is what your hand is going to hold on to control the pistol. Now, always remember that how this grip feels in your hand matters more than the brand or the size of the gun. This has to be comfortable to fit inside of your hand. Next piece is called our magazine. Y'all want to call it a clip so bad, but it is called a magazine. The magazine is what holds the ammunition, and the magazine goes inside of the grip. This is called your magazine well. So your magazine that holds the ammo goes into this hole, which is your magazine well. Now these right here on the top of our slide, these are called our sights. So this is our front sight and this is our rear sight. So when you line them up, they help you to hit what you actually want to hit. So we're going to line up the top of the front with the notch in the back, but don't focus too much on it. All you need to know is these are called our sights. Our next little tidbit is applicable to some guns, but not to all. So all guns do not come with a manual thumb safety. So this gun has no manual thumb safety, but this gun does have a manual thumb safety. So that is something that may be on some guns, but not on all guns. Now, those are the overall parts of a semi-automatic pistol. You don't need to memorize any of this right now. They will become more familiar to you as we keep going in the series. Today was simply about removing the fear and making this feel less intimidating. Once you watch this video once, or maybe even 30 times, and you're ready to move on, we're gonna move on to revolvers. That will be the next video in the series. Always remember that no one woke up knowing all of this in one day. Everyone has to start somewhere, and thank you so much for starting with me. I hope this helps. Bye, y'all.